Hey, seen this before? Nothing fancy, right? Don't like it? Me either. It's an old scrap.
They were telling me, hey bro, this car is a piece of shit and you should do something if this car is a piece of shit. And I kind of understand it, because it is shit, it is slow and everything. It rattles, yeah, okay. So we need some street cred, okay, so then let's wear sunglasses. Is that okay? Is that a street cred? Oh, I don't know. Let's do it. Okay, do you like it more? Yeah, now it does have a street cred. And what else? Let's give it some sticker. Huh? We need some rubber, so let's give it some rubber.
Now I've got those wheels and legit Japanese tires.
How do you do? And I say, okay guys, let's do it.
If you like it, hit the subscribe button just now.